we're here at Heathrow Airport. We're installing 24 car chargers, which will charge 48 cars here for British Airways at their West base. So I asked for the 360 to be on the job. We can use the bucket to excavate, the jackhammers, front bucket to move the soil about. Then obviously moving on the project, we can use the curb lifter. And then once again using the buckets to backfill the trenches.
So the type of job we're doing today, we're going to be breaking and cutting the ground, digging down to about 800s, filling them with ducts, sanding and then putting curbs over the top. We started in 2015, we've been running for about 8 years. We've got Henry with us. Henry we started about a year ago and we've been training him, teaching him little things in the yard and out on site like today.
We're digging an 87-metre long trench for car chargers. We're obviously excavating the trench, laying the ductwork in, sanding, tape and then obviously backfilling with aggregate. I've been driving backhoes for about 8 months now. I got my ticket in January this year. We do trial holes, breaking out concrete. There's not really anything we don't do. I really enjoy driving the 3CX because it allows you to drive to site, do your job and also gets you home. It's a very capable machine. We can break a trench, we can dig it out, we can unload material off lorries with the all-in-one machine. The good thing about the 3CX backhoe is 20 minutes ago I was breaking out the concrete off the top of this trench and now obviously I am digging out to the depths that are required. Put the ductings and everything in for these chargers from the site back to the yard where we park the machine. If you get 28 miles an hour out of it, it's a pretty quick machine. Maximum dig depth is 5.6 metres. So you can get pretty deep with these, considering it's a machine that you can drive on the road and you can get some pretty good depth with them. I wanted to be a backhoe driver because I wanted to upskill myself so I can do all sorts of jobs on site. 3CX, I like it because we can turn up to site, we bring our buckets, everything's on one machine. You're not standing there waiting for a lorry to turn up with a track machine on it. When you can turn up with the machine, you can do your job, go home and everyone's happy at the end of the day. I wouldn't want to drive anything else.
It's been good to have Henry with us. It's something that I've always wanted to train someone up. It's been a great thing to get him fully trained so he can go onto all the sites. It's nice to have someone young, ready to work, get out there and do the job because there's not many young people coming through. The 3CX is so versatile, you can track it to the jobs, you can do anything from digging driveways to trial holes, breaking concrete. So we've got forks on the front. We had to unload some 3-metre pipes that they come on the back of the lorry. We flipped the forks over and we unloaded the lorry in about 5 minutes. It was all done. So I've just finished pushing this pile up. I'm just going to spin round and use the back arm. I've been driving JCB since I was a little boy. I used to go out with my dad on the grab lorry and there was always a JCB on site. Many happy years watching people put the little toolbox on the side and then finally bought first one in 2015. Never looked back really.
The reason I like the backhoe here, I believe it makes the job quicker, obviously reduces the man hours, labour on the job, makes it an easier and quicker, cleaner process. The lads like it and it's my tool of choice, just gets the job done every time.
The 3CX is a perfect tool for us, all the lads get on really well with it. We'll be keeping it for a long time with us.